how to operate this car DVR. So let's see if we can clarify it. Okay, if you're first using this, you can press this button here, which is settings, and you see resolution, loop recording. Let's go through each one of them. On the left here you have the up key, down key, resolution. Press OK on this side here. 720p is fine for me. I really see there isn't that much difference. You can try 1080 FHD if you think your resolution is not high enough. Basically just scroll like that and press OK for what you've chosen. Okay, loop recording. That's the length of the recording. I set it to 3 minutes because 1 minute is too short, and sometimes when you have an accident or something and then it is just looping from one to another, you might miss something. So 3 minutes is good, so I set it for 3. Press OK. EV is the exposure compensation. Default is fine. You can look at some of my videos. I have some videos shot with this. The default is fine. Press OK. Motion detection. Okay, I set it to off. You're better off. Trust me on this one. Otherwise, it will start recording and stop recording every time you come to a stop. So off is fine. Audio, you want audio. Otherwise, you wouldn't get any audio. Set it to on. Date stamp is whether you want the date to appear on your videos. Okay, set it to on. G sensor, I set it, this is default, I think 4G. And button sound, you want button sound, set it to button sound. And let's see here, what else? Button sound. And that's it. Okay. Now, okay, you press OK, then it will start recording. You can see the blinking red LED here, and the number of seconds has elapsed. Press OK to stop, and then we're back to the video recorder symbol, and you press OK, you start recording. You see the red button flashing. That's about 7 seconds of recording. Okay, so now you can switch to camera. You have a 5 megapixel camera here. Press this OK button to take a photo. It's not too bad, the camera. When you have this symbol here, the film strip, that means it is video. When you have this symbol here, that means it is a photo. Let's look at the, I think, look at this clip here. You see this counter moving. Nothing is moving on the screen, but it is actually a video. Okay. And if you want to save something and lock it, you press this lock button here. I haven't tried this before. I guess this is if you want to make sure your file is not deleted, you press this. And probably the only way to delete this is to connect this camera to your computer and then delete it. And as I've shown in the other video, you have the HDMI connection, and you have the micro USB. This is mini USB connection. This is where you put in the SD card slot, or micro SD card. on off button here. And where else? Yeah, that's about it. Long press here to turn it off. Goodbye. Okay, so this is the full HD 1080p vehicle black box DVR. They sell for anywhere from $30 to $40. The high definition is not that high def, but maybe you can try the really high def setting and see how if that works out for you. Okay, I hope that answers some of your questions. Thanks for watching.